Agility features pre-packaged reagents in smart kits for convenient loading. Simply place the preloaded package directly into the instrument. This saves both time and money for the end user, while having minimal impact on packaging cost for the manufacturer. Two-dimensional barcodes printed on the kits provide accurate and secure information required to run the assay. Transcription errors are avoided, and minimal operator time is required. Agility uses illuminated color-coded access positions, allowing simple loading of all reagent packs, tips, microplates, and other consumable items. Since the system reads the barcodes only after the consumables have been loaded, it's not possible to make a mistake. Kits can be loaded at any time without interrupting a work list or requiring the operator to wait. The system records when consumables are loaded and tracks usage. An inventory check is applied before initiating the work list, so the user can walk away with complete confidence. The operator can be confident that errors relating to insufficient reagent, wash buffer, tips, and other consumables are eliminated. The Agility has two separate pipetting heads, allowing the distribution of samples and reagent at the same time. This allows the Agility to deliver very high throughput. Typically, several plates can be scheduled together in a single work list. Agility includes all the traditional ELISA testing functionality you would expect, including quantitative measurement of wash buffers and reagents, giving you true and accurate results time after time. Just think how many ELISA tests you run in microplate format. Think of how many different tests you perform on a daily basis. Imagine all the potential labor savings that could be achieved by streamlining the process. Microplate assays remain much the same as they have for decades, requiring significant manual handling before and after they're automated. Microplate assays are simply not as easy to use with automated systems as they could be. Here at DYNEX Technologies, we appreciate the value of ease of use in today's busy laboratory. We decided to simplify working with microplate assays through the design of Agility. Just think about it. What if you could open the kit and load it straight onto the instrument? No need to transfer reagents from the kit to bottles specified by the instrument manufacturer. No need for manual data entry. No reruns due to operator errors. This will save you a lot of time and money. Exceptional storage capacity removes the need to replenish consumables and reagents during a run. Save time. Advanced automation allows you to walk away and do something else. With Agility, we've automated everything possible to offer you a flexible system that eliminates manual mistakes and minimizes hands-on and turnaround time. Why? Because, in the end, it all comes down to a numbers game. Numbers that represent time and money. And Agility will help you win that game.